How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can download and install ExpressVPN on a Mac. Now, it is true, I am on a Windows, but it's basically the same procedure. Now, if you're going to get ExpressVPN, I would definitely recommend, well, getting it on a discount, because why not? So you can click the link in the description down below if you want to grab that discount, which should give you 3 bonus free months. So feel free to take advantage of it while it lasts. Okay, so once you've gotten yourself the subscription, you will receive an email where you can basically download ExpressVPN. Now, you can actually download ExpressVPN before you even make the purchase. Now, you're not really going to be able to use it, but if you just want to download it before making the purchase or getting the subscription, you can definitely do that. So once you land on the website, again, if you want to apply that discount, you can click the link in the description down below. But once you get to the website, on the homepage, you'll see download VPN and just go ahead and select Mac. Once you click that, you will be able to download the VPN. Just click download Mac VPN. And from there, you should be able to download it. As you can tell right here, it went into my downloads, and that is basically it. I'm just going to go ahead and cancel that because, well, I already have the application. And that's basically it. Just wait and just click next on the install prompts until you have the application right here. Then get yourself the subscription and log in using your credentials or the activation code, and you will be good to go. Now, to just give you a quick brief on ExpressVPN, it's actually one of the best, if not arguably the best VPN overall. You've got over 3,000 servers in 94 countries, so plenty of countries to connect to. You're able to access any kind of streaming service from any country you connect to very easily and reliably. It's very consistent as well. If you're looking for a VPN for China, this is the best VPN to access all the inaccessible applications and websites from within China, whether you're living in China or you're just going to China for a vacation or a business vacation perhaps. Make sure that you download ExpressVPN on your devices so that you can maintain access to everything that you're used to accessing outside of China. You're also able to freely download any torrents using ExpressVPN without any bandwidth limitations or connection throttling. And you do have the necessary security features such as the kill switch and split tunneling, as well as a few protocols. Now, if you're interested in learning a little bit more about ExpressVPN, you'll find the full review in the description down below, and you'll find links to pricing and discounts if you'd like to get straight to that. Besides that, it is covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee in case you're not satisfied for whatever reason. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.